Hey friends, today we'll be reviewing and taking a look at this countertop dishwasher. So I got a load of dirty dishes that I need to get clean. So let's go ahead and start unpackaging this and setting this up. So I have it on the countertop. I plugged it into the outlet, and inside you have this pitcher here to fill up your water from the top reservoir. You have this nice basket here, and then your hose connections to fit it to the sink directly to the back of the dishwasher. Inside you have these very nice rolling drawers and another top drawer for even more. This has a 5-liter water tank. It has 5 different programs to wash your dishes. You have normal, delicate, heavy, express 28, and fruit. And then you have 2 added functions for air refresh and a delayed option to start and stop your wash cycles during off-peak periods. You can schedule those from 2 to 12 hours. The water temp will get up to 167 degrees to tackle the toughest of dirtiest dishes and to sanitize everything that needs fully sanitized to keep everybody healthy in the household. It's programmed to have 60 minutes of hot air for drying and automatic ventilation for up to 72 hours. This design is very sleek, modern looking, and looks great on the countertop. Doesn't take up too much space. Also, this would be great for apartments, up to 3 to 4 people in the household, or more than that even. Great for permanent camping, basement bars, garage bars, anywhere where you're gonna have dishes that you don't wanna hand wash all the time. This is a great option. So let's go ahead and load this up and see it in action. So I got my dishwasher full of dirty dishes. The top silverware, this top drawer is removable in case you needed to fit some bigger stuff in here like pots or pans. The reservoir is full. It takes about 3 pitchers. You will hear 3 beeps when the reservoir is full. Detergent goes here. I have a packet. I will just set it inside. It will dissolve as the water heats it up. I have my drain plug down in my sink, and I'm gonna hold the power button down. I'm gonna hit normal. I'm gonna hit air refresh and start. So I have 60 minutes here of wash time. So I'll be back and show you the results. So you can see the water in here, fully contained, no leaks. It is clearly washing the dishes with some high pressured streams to get those fully clean. So I'll go ahead and have a closer look here. Okay, so fully went through its wash cycle and dry cycle, about 2 hours total. It is now on its air filtration. So let's go ahead and check out the final result here on how well this cleaned the dishes. I can feel the steam come out of here. So the dishes are still warm, and look, perfectly clean, spotless dishes. These were pretty dirty. Like I showed, this one had lots of coffee stains. They are completely gone. Silverware is spotless as well. So if you need a countertop dishwasher for whatever it is, if you live in an apartment, camping, permanent camping, this is a space saver and it does the job, and my dishes are nice and clean. So thanks for watching, and hopefully you enjoyed this review.